Hey guys, my name is Ronnie. Thanks for joining me in this quick installation video on how to install Xl8ml. I just want to quickly walk you through the software install after you downloaded it from the website. First of all, download the software, put it wherever you wish. You don't need any admin rights. Click Extract All. That will produce a folder with the software. Should take a second or so. Have a look at the two files that you've downloaded. Open up Excel, go to Account, go to About Excel, and look at this top line in green, where that says 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on which version of Excel you have installed. That will tell you which version of the plugin you need. Go to Options, Add-ins, look at this Manage Excel Add-ins, go, and then browse. Find the folder. In my case, it's in here. Select either the 32-bit or the 64-bit version, depending on which one your Excel version is, and click OK. Once you've done that, to test if it's all working, type in Excel version. You get the version number. Second thing you can do Excel login using your username and password. This is my test password. Wait a few seconds and you'll see a successful login for user whatever your username is. Any problems? Go to your home drive. In my case, that's C users mush XL8ml, and there should be a file in this XL8ml directory. Sort by date modified. Open it, and any errors you'll see at this bottom part. As you can see, this is on the free trial license, so everything's okay. And obviously, if you pay for a license, this shouldn't say free trial anymore. It should give you a fully valid license. But any errors will appear here, and in which case, please contact us, and we will try and resolve any issues. Thanks for choosing Xl8ml. Please keep coming back to the website to find out how to better data analysis, machine learning, and portfolio optimization using Excel in a no-code environment.